Amihani was 6 years old, and her world was a riot of colors. She loved to paint rainbows on her bedroom wall, dress her dolls in mismatched outfits, and collect shiny stones from the park. Her favorite time of day was when the sun began to set, casting long, dancing shadows across the room. She would sit by her window and imagine the shadows were magical creatures, playing hide and seek. Amihani loved to learn new things. Her favorite book was about a brave little dragon who could breathe bubbles. She would spend hours pretending to be the dragon, flying around her room and blowing imaginary bubbles. Her parents encouraged her curiosity, reading her stories about far-off lands and brave explorers. On sunny days, Amihani would spend hours playing in the garden. She would dig for buried treasure, build forts from blankets, and have tea parties with her stuffed animals. She had an imaginary friend named Luna, a wise old owl who lived in the oak tree at the end of the garden. Luna would tell her stories about the stars and the moon. At school, Amihani was a bright and curious child. She loved to ask questions and learn new things. Her teacher, Miss Anya, was always impressed by Amihani's imagination and creativity. She would often share her stories with the class, much to the delight of her classmates. One day, Amihani's class went on a field trip to the zoo. She was most excited to see the monkeys, as she thought they looked like her when she climbed trees. She spent hours watching them swing from branch to branch, and even tried to imitate their antics. Amihani was a happy and carefree child. She lived in a world of her own imagination, where anything was possible. She taught everyone around her the importance of dreaming big and never giving up on their hopes and dreams.